So students, now we learn about union and intersection. Union is represented by this sign U, which I have earlier also, and intersection by N sign. So in case if I have A and B in such a way that A is a set where X such that X belongs to real numbers, X is more than equal to -4 and less than 2, and similarly B is also X such that X belongs to real numbers, X is less than equal to -2 and less than 5, and I have to find A union B and A intersection B. Okay students? So it's a very simple concept. The only thing, first of all, we will just find a number line for each. So they have already solved this for us. We just have to find, we have to represent this on the number line. So for A, the number line will be, and for B also. What is the maximum thing? -4. If I compare both the negative, and if I compare positive, the maximum is 5. So I'll do one thing. I'll just write all the numbers from -4, -3, -2 till your 5. That's the maximum limit for both the lines. -5, 5 is the maximum for both. I'll write 6 also because 5 is already included here. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Try to write one above the other so it'll be easy for you to understand. So now if I represent, can you see X is more than -4? So -4 is here and it's more solid, and last is what, till 2. So I'll just mark this. This is the first thing gone. Now -2 again included, and then 5 not included, and then done. Okay students, the first will go for A union B. Very simple, just pay attention over here, but that's all. What is the maximum left? You can see if I compare both, the left hand side A, which is extending maximum, which is extending more, you can say on the left hand side, -4 or -2. So obviously -4 is extending more on the left hand side. So that means you have to write -4. Whichever extends more on the left hand side, you have to write, and same thing, whichever extends more on the right hand side, that is 2 and 5, which extends more? 5. That means your X will come in between. Now, from where you have taken -4, that was including or not including? Yes, sorry but including, so you have to write over here it's including. And the number we have taken 5, was it including? No, that means it will not come. So that means you got your A union B and done. Now you can represent on the number line. And now -4 includes, 5 not includes. That means everything from -4 to 5 becomes the union. Union means unity. That means if you combine, what is the maximum you can get is -4 on the left hand side and 5 on the right hand side, which you have got over here. Same way, exactly opposite, A intersection B. Now, what I will take over here, the minimum left and minimum right. The minimum left is -2 and minimum right is 2. And X will come back in the center. From value of taking -2, it was a solid, so equal to sign. And what we have taken 2 is not included, so no equal to sign. So that means -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. 4, 5 and 6. This start with -2, solid, 2, hollow, and this is the answer. That's all with respect to union and intersection. I told you one concept, union intersection. This is union intersection. I'll give one more example. But yeah, union is also known by the letter or. Or means union. And this is also known by letter and. And means intersection. That means in a question, if they ask you or they ask you and, in other words, they are asking union or intersection. I'll give one more example of this. Here, in this example, I have given to you the limits on the left hand side also, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. In case not, there is no limits. That means in case if you have any particular set which is infinite, and if you want to find union intersection, how to find that? I'll explain. So now, one more example of union intersection. X such that x belongs to real numbers and x is more than equal to 2 and b so now I have to find, let us say, first union and then intersection. So first I'll draw a number line for A. X is more than equal to 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So starting with 2 and then infinite throughout right hand side. B 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. 5 not included and then so students over here you might get confused. The reason because like before wala sum we had left hand side right hand side ka limit. Here both are infinite. Now in case if I want to find A union B, for union students I was very clear that you have read all the numbers are merging. So now you have to write the maximum left and maximum right. So if I go to see for left hand side the maximum left is what? 2. That means 2 will come here. Now for the right both of them are same only. That means they both are infinite. That means here I have read all the numbers which are the right hand side of 2. That means x is more than 2 and included, 2 is included, so equal to. That means x is more than equal to 2 is A union B. So x such that x belongs to real numbers so 2 and all the numbers will get included for union. And now for intersection, minimum left, minimum right. So obviously the minimum left is what? 5 because starts only for left. If I compare, this is the maximum, this is the minimum. So here it starts with what? 5. So if I go to see for intersection, intersection means this number should be there both. So obviously 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 5 also is not included. That means for intersection, always remember students, you have to write that numbers which are where the minimum left or minimum right. So minimum left is what? 5. So I'll start with 4, 5, 6, 7, not included and then throughout. So it will be x such that x belongs to real numbers, x is more than 5. So union means all the numbers, intersection means the one which is common. So obviously this was not common. The common started with what? 5. So that I have written over here. So this was the concept for union intersection. Now I'll start doing the sums. So question number 12 to 19, 21, 24 all of the same time. During this question, whenever you see something like complement, complement means what? Like this, A complement, B complement. So these sums you don't have to do because they are not in your syllabus. So now, considering all these sums, I will be doing question number 12 ka first and third part. question 13 का second part, question 14, 15 का third part, and 21, and I'll complete the chapter. So now one more thing I want to tell you is, again, the word or means union and the word and means intersection. Union means all numbers, intersection of the common numbers. Start. So question 12 says that solve and graph the solution set of 12 the first sum. So now it is like 2x minus 9 is less than 7 and 3x plus 9 is less than or equal to 25. And means what, students? Intersection. So now I have to find that what is common between these two real number line. Common means intersection. Now first I'll solve this. 2x minus 9 is less than this. 2x, 7 plus 9, 2x is less than 16, x is less than 8. 16.2 is 8. And the other line, 3x is less than or equal to 25 minus 9. 3x is less than or equal to 16. X is less than or equal to 16 upon 3. Hence, less than or equal to 5 1 upon 3. So now in case if I plot the same thing on the number line, x is less than 8. Less than means what? You have to go towards the left hand side of this number. Less means left hand side, more means right hand side. So x is less than 8. So you will go what? Towards the left hand side of 8. I'll start with 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 8, hollow circle because not included, and it's infinite because there is no limit on the other side. This is for the first line, this is for the second line. First, second. So this is a plotting for the first line. Now the second line. It's less than or equal to 5 1 upon 3. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now 5 1 upon 3 will be somewhere over here. 5, 6, 4, 3. 5 1 upon 3 will be somewhere over here, which is equal to, that means a solid circle. I'll just mark over here 5 1 upon 3. Infinite on the other side. And now if I compare this, I want to find the common thing. Common thing means what? Obviously I will take minimum left and minimum right. So on the left hand side both are infinite, that is same only. And on the right hand side also minimum left, that means which line extends more towards the right hand side is what? 8. That I don't have to take. This I will take for the union. For intersection I will take what? The one which is the minimum on the right hand side. The minimum right hand side is which? 5 1 upon 3. Hence, the intersection over here will be x such that x belongs to real numbers and x is less than or equal to 5 1 upon 3. Now you can see over here, this is what the maximum left as compared to what? Sorry, maximum right as compared to the second line. So I don't have to take maximum, I have to take the minimum. So the answer over here will be x such that x belongs to real numbers and x is less than or equal to 5 1 upon 3. This is the intersection of the first line, intersection the second line. Why I found the intersection? Because they use the word and. Done. Same way, the third part for the question 12. So x plus 5, the first number line, and this is second. 4x minus 4, x is already positive. So 9 upon 3, x is less than or equal to 3. So now the second part, this was for the first, for the second 3 minus 2x. 2x is negative, I have to make it positive. So first number line, x is obviously real numbers and x is less than 3. So less than equal to 3 means 3. Less matlab it has to go on the left hand side. And for second number line, x is more than 5. The student, I have given this example earlier also to you all. They asked me intersection, and you can see that here it starts on 3 and less than 3, and here is 5 and more than 5. That means there is nothing intersection over here. So the intersection over here will be empty set. Question 13 का second part. Now it says solve and graph the solution set of 5 which is more than p minus 1, more than 2, or 3p minus 1 more than 2, or 7 minus 7 is less than 2p minus 1 less than 17. So students, all means union. So first of all, I'll solve this part, the first line and the second line. The first is 5, 1 by 1, minus 1 will come here, 5 plus 1 6, so p is less than 6, and the second part, p minus 1, so p is more than 3, minus 1 is plus 2. So p is less than 6 and more than 3. The first number line is available. Now I'll go for the second one. Seven, 2p minus 1, minus 1 will come here 8. So p is more than equal to 4, and here 2p minus 1 p is less than equal to 9. So if I go to see this, p is more than equal to 4 and less than equal to 9. So the first number line, here p is a real number. And second, so 4 including and 9 including. So students, over here again they asked me for the union part. The union part I have told you maximum left and maximum right. So maximum left, what is there? 3 or 4? Obviously left. Maximum left will be 3, which is not including, and maximum right will be 6 or 9, 9, which is including. So the entire thing will be your union. How will you write this? X says that X belongs to real numbers. Sorry, I'll write P over here because P is given. And P is more than 3 and less than equal to 9. Here 9 because 9 was included. Here 3 was not included. That is why. So now question number 14. I have to find A union B and A intersection B. Then second part I have also given A intersection B complement. But as I have told you, complement is not in syllabus, so it's okay if we don't do that part. We just have to find A union B and A intersection B. Here they have asked me only A intersection B, but I'll find A union B also. So for the first A part, they have given -2 to 5. Students, you can just pay attention over here. If you remember, I have told you that, you know what, whenever I will take over here the numbers including or not including, there are two ways. One is circle, hollow circle is not included, and solid is included. And similarly, I have told you we can also use what straight line and curved line. Straight line is included and curved line is not included. So here they are given that particular way. So -2 pay is a straight line which is including, and 5 pay is not including. So this is one part, for which the set builder form will be X such that X belongs to real numbers. X is more than equal to -2 and less than 5. And for here, starting from -4 से लेके 3. So -4 is included because of straight line, and this is not included because of curved line. So X such that X belongs to real numbers. X is more than equal to -1 less than 3. So now in case if I'm talking about the union, as I've told you, maximum left and maximum right. The maximum left is -4, which is going more towards left is -4. So -4 is the maximum left, which is going more towards the right is 5. That's the maximum right. -4 where I have got from here, it was included. So I have to include. 5 I got from here which is not included, so I will not include this. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So the union का set builder form will be such that X is equal to -4, more than equal to -1, less than 5. Similarly, we have A intersection B also. A intersection B में minimum left and minimum right. So which is the minimum left? -2. Minimum right is 3. From where I have got -2 here, which is included. 3 not included. So X such that X belongs to real numbers. X is more than equal to -2, more than equal to -2 and less than 3. That's all for the 14th sum, union and intersection. Now question 15 का third part. So now for the first and for the second, I have to just find what the intersection, the first number line ka, they have already solved first, which is the draw number line. 0, -1, plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Real number line, so obviously you have to just include everything. 1 is not included and till 6. I always take one thing extra, one number extra. Before also and ahead also. And the second number line, from -2 -2 is including, 3 also is including. As I have told you, students, intersection, union means intersection, sorry, and means intersection. So the intersection will be the one which is common in both. So the lower left. So lower left -1, -2, the lower left is -1, and lower right is 6 or 3, 3. So obviously for the lower left I'll take it as -1. For the lower right I'll take it as 3. X will come in between. -1 from here I've got which is not included. 3 is from here which is included to equal to. And the number line for this will be so -1 and 3 15 का third. Now I'm doing 21st sum. So you can see over here. This is same like your 12 ka second part. Then also they have given integers. And here now we have what? One is integer, one is real number. So that means you see till now we have done the unit intersection. Both were real, and then we have found unit intersection. Now one is integer and one is real, and we have to yet find what? They are intersection part. I will do intersection also in union also. First we just draw number line for this. That will do for solving part. -8 for A. So -8, 5x plus 2 will come here. So -10 upon 5. So x is more than -2. And for this part, x is less than equal to 3. So if I combine for A, I'll get x such that x belongs to integers and x is more than -2 and less than equal to 3. So for A part it is done. Now same to same, I'll solve for the B part. -2, first I'll take this both. So x is already positive, so -2 -7 -9 so x is more than equal to -3, and now 7 plus 3x is less than 17, so 3x is 17 minus 7 less than 3, 1 upon 3. So now x such that x belongs to real numbers for the second line. X is more than equal to -3 and less than 3, 1 upon 3. So now A and B ka solution set is available. I have to draw number line first for A. They are integers, okay? Students, -2 say 3. These are the range. The range of data means the limits. Range means the limits. Well, -2 and 3 is the range. Yes, students. Now, very important part. It's integers. So -2 will not be included because it's not equal to. Let's start with -1, 0, 1, 2 and also 3. This is for A. Now for B. For B, from -3 to 3, 1 upon 3. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So -3 is included until 3, 1 upon 3. There is somewhere over here which is not included. So I'll just mark an arrow and write 3, 1 upon 3. Yeah. Now students, very important part, very important part. A intersection B. Can you see that? Both of them have 14 common, -1 to 3. But here all the numbers are included. -1 से लेके 3 तक all numbers. But for integers only -1, only 0, only 1, only 2. That means the intersection part I have write what is common. So common is just -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the answer. And not the real number line, because the common in both is what? Both are -1 both have 0, both have 1, both have 2, both have 3. But only B has in between path, A does not have. So it will not come in intersection. But if you ask me A union B, then everything, what is it? Maximum left or maximum right? So left hand side also maximum is B only, and right hand side also maximum is B only. That means the answer would have been -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 3, 1 upon 3, not included, -3 is included. Hence the union would have been this entire thing. So this is the union and this is the intersection. So that's the end of the chapter, students. Linear equation exercise A, B both are done. Thank you so much.